Hi guys. Look at this guy. Hi. There's no one right there.
There's 2 of them.
Hi guys, welcome to Valley of Fire Campgrounds. This is how close they are to me. Hi, buddy. He's looking at us.
Looking at Kayla.
I'm not even that loud. Stop shushing me, you weirdos. Dude, look at you. Oh, no food. I'm just gonna walk away. This is crazy. Hi. Oh, yeah, he's out. He's running. So yeah, we're here at Valley of Fire.
Alright.
This is our campground right here.
He wants to go potty. I'll show you where the bathrooms are.
Up there is basically...
Well, unfortunately, the bathrooms are that way.
Up there basically is the party area. You put all your stuff and our barbecue and stuff like that. Places to sit. Over here is where we're going to set up our tents and all that stuff. So... yeah, I want to see what they are. Oh, there's the fireplace right there.
I gotta go potty.
Hi guys. Don't be scared.
That sucks. I gotta go potty.
Is that where the restroom is?
Time is wrong.
Okay. We're just going to the restroom right around the corner. Don't mind us. I know. Kids, you stay back. Let Cynthia go first. Or do you want me to go first? I can go first. Just no sudden moves. No sudden moves. Just be calm. We're just going to the restroom. Say we're going over here. These bad boys are literally right next to us. Around at least 20 feet away. Crazy. But yeah, this is where we're going to be camping for the next couple days. We got all this around us. We got this rock right here. Look at this. It's warm. It's really warm. Wow. You don't have to be very quiet, you weirdo. You can talk regularly. You can stop whispering. Whoa. Look at this. Look at this, dude. Does this go through all the way? Okay. Curiosity's killing me. I gotta go through this. I gotta go through this. Dude, this is ridiculous. What? This is crazy. Oh shit. This is cool, man. Dude, look at the dirt. Look at the dirt, man. It's all red, look. Wow, okay. Yeah, we're definitely going through here. Just gotta be careful with this little drop right here. I don't have the right shoes for this. Yep, I'm just going on a dirt because those rocks are going to be very slippy and are right through here. See, we got this area here. Let me show you this before I go help them unpack everything. This is our area to chill. We got our water here. Barbecuers and everything here. Trash. Lots of space to put food and drinks and whatnot. Tables. On the tables. They put rocks on top of the trash cans, I guess for the wildlife. Oh, do you see them? They're right there. You see them? See them right there? Wait. Yeah, right there. What? Dang. Crazy. Okay. Alright, guys, I'll be back. I gotta go help them over here, you weirdo. We're all the way in the middle of nowhere.
Oh, yeah. So no one will know. Say, wait, how do we even check in if there was no one there to check in with?
If they come out here, we have a permit we can show them. It's a paper saying we're supposed to be here.
Gonna come out here?
It doesn't mean they're gonna come out here.
It's already getting low. Chris, it's
Remember?
already getting low.
Yeah, it's fine.
Is that wood reusable?
No, it's gone, dude.
It's all gonna turn to ashes?
Yep. There's nothing around us. Nothing. Except for the moon. You can see the moon right there. That's about it. My goodness, it's so dark.
I'm gonna go sit right here.
Meow, 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 meow.
Why was it rock fire?
Just warm them up so they get hot. Dang, you can't even see me. It's that dark out here. You can't even see me. That's crazy. Here, let's see.
Into the thing.
Let's try to get some light with my phone. There we go. There we go. So you can see the fire. And then all around me, there's nothing. It's just complete darkness. You can't even see you, dude. You're too... I'm not pointing down right now.
Hello.
You can see. We got the fire. We got some pellets. We got a lot of wood we can burn. It's so freaking dark, though. Look at this. Watch. No, you still can't see. See how close? See how close you have to get to see that rock? Let's try that again. You could barely make it out in the dark. Look at that. Oh, there's a bush right there. You could barely even see. It's flipping dark, man. It's flipping dark out here. You look at the sky, though. You can see the stars and everything. But yeah, it's pretty damn crazy, man. I love it. It's my first time camping, by the way. Alright guys, I'll see you in a bit. Right there, this is number